Hey, good morning, folks. Bill Cole here. How you doing? Listen, today what I'm going to be talking about is a product releasing called the Enigma code. Now, it's another binary product, and you watch any of my videos, I do a lot of these. So uh, I've really done a lot of investigating this week to dig deeper into these things and see if I could find out more about them. And I've got a pretty rounded thing about what exactly they are and what makes them attractive to people to think that they can make all this thousands and millions of dollars in a short period of time. First of all, let me tell you, there's three kinds of trading. There's the forex, the regular stocks, and then your binary. Now, what makes the binary attractive to most people is you can start with $250 on up. Whereas a forex or a regular stock, you have to have like 10,000 bucks in your account to do it right. And what you trade is you trade currencies like the euro against the American dollar. You trade commodities like gold and silver. And then what you do is you predict whether it's going to go up. You put your trade in, you predict whether it's going to go up or down, and you have to do it in a certain period of time. In other words, you can do it anywhere from 60 seconds to an all-day trade, and you have to stick to that format. But once you put your trade in, you punch a button either up or down. And that's why they say you don't have to have any experience in this, that, and the other, and they use a robot, okay? And the robot automatically, supposedly, goes around and on the internet, looks at all the information, and then comes back and makes the best choice. But you know, a robot doesn't have the human aspect of the deal. In other words, where you can go read news reports of what different stocks are doing, or where you can get the whole picture of what's happening in the market. Then say, for instance, if there was a crash in the market, well, you know, the bot works on algorithms, so that means just whenever it decides to do whatever it's going to do, it does it. In other words, there's no human interaction to stop if you were to want to stop it. And what makes these things so unbelievable, first of all, is the videos. I mean, they're almost comical if you watch them. Most of them are actors, never have used any of these products. But if you watch them, they're almost comical. I can't even watch them anymore, hardly. But these things, these binary softwares, Enigma code and the rest, are created by affiliate marketers. They're not made by actual traders. And that's where the difference, somebody that's actually done this stuff and knows what he's talking about gets involved. But you know, if you're looking to try to make money online and do it the right way, there are alternatives to doing it and doing it the right way. And of course, the link I have at the bottom of the page is one of those. It's just giving you an alternative. Now, if you're bound and determined that you want to do binary trading, I mean, go for it. Just do your homework. But what I've told you here today is pretty much what they're all about. But there are alternatives, and if you click on the link at the bottom, it's a system that shows you how to market online and do it the right way. It sets you up that, in other words, you can use this system with anything that you're trying to market. Okay, it has training videos. It teaches you how to market on all the different social networks and everything else, and any other kind of marketing that you would like to do. But it costs $7 for 7 days, and like I said, it teaches you everything from A to Z. So if you want to get into internet marketing, or if you've already been into internet marketing, it's just not happening for you, not quite getting over the hump on, like there's something maybe missing, click on the link, spend $7 and see what you think. So anyway, I hope I've given you a little more insight into what these uh, binary systems are. Just be aware that the people that make these things and put them out are not traders at all. Oh, one more thing before I forget. Most of these brokers are not regulated. Say, for instance, if you anyway, let me just say this: most people that trade, they don't leave their money in there very long when they do win a trade, because if the stock market or something were to happen, and these people, well, it doesn't even have to have anything happen. If these people are not regulated, you just happen to get a broker that's not regulated, one day you may go on there and he's gone. You know, there goes your money, your profit that you want on your trade, everything. So just be careful, okay? Just make sure you do your homework. And like I said, if you're interested in an alternative, click on the link at the bottom. Thanks for your time this morning. See you down the road.